Akshaya Patra, a school meal program in government schools. The vision statement is that no child in India shall be deprived of education because of hunger. It is our dream that India becomes a developed country, but this cannot be as long as millions of children are out of school. Children do menial jobs to earn a livelihood and thus miss out on the benefits of education. Our firm belief is, education is the single most powerful factor to take an entire family out of the cycle of poverty. Education can, within one generation, significantly improve the quality of life. The Akshaya Patra school meal program, established in the year 2000, strives to mitigate hunger, attract and retain children in schools, and get full value of their classroom experience. In South India, we serve rice, sambar with vegetables and yogurt or curd. And in North India, we serve chapatis, dal or sabzi and vegetable rice or kheer. Akshaya Patra started in Bangalore and is currently serving. Akshaya Patra leverages technology and innovations to maximize operational efficiency in its kitchens. Human handling is minimized to ensure high standard of hygiene and cleanliness. A large cauldron like this cooks sambar, a spicy soup with vegetables and lentils, for 6,000 children in less than 2 hours. The chapati making machine rolls out 10,000 chapatis per hour. The food containers are loaded into custom-built vehicles and transported to distant schools. Each vehicle carries food for about 5,000 children and travels 45 miles from the kitchen facility. With the state and central governments of India that provide a subsidy to provide meals. The Government of India also makes a contribution. Bangalore City Corporation sponsors all children from class 1 to class 12 under the Akshaya Patra program. Some of our partners from the corporate world include Akshaya Patra has inspired many other NGOs by sharing the technology and processes and training the personnel to implement the program. Akshaya Patra has also initiated other child and education related programs such as teacher training, life skills training, after-school tutorials, scholarships, medical interventions. The Indian Institute of Management has been involved in keeping track of the impact of this program. A.C. Nielsen's studies found that Akshaya Patra school meal programs have improved school enrollment, increased attendance, decreased dropout rates, enhanced classroom performance, and improved nutritional status of the children. The Akshaya Patra has also achieved the distinction of becoming a case study for the students of Harvard Business School. A fellow from US Congressional Hunger Center has been appointed for 1 year to develop tools and processes to measure the impact of the Akshaya Patra school meal program. To ensure secular reach of the program, this is only provided in government schools that already have a secular policy for admission. To ensure transparency to our donors and supporters, this program is audited by KPMG. All contributions to this program benefit from tax exemption status in India, the UK and the USA. Former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, visited the facility and shared meals with the children. The Rajyotsava Award from the Government of Karnataka and the Independence Day Award from the Government of Rajasthan were conferred on this program. The excellence in the governance of this program. It has an independent board of trustees, some of them from the professional world. The board of advisors comprises bureaucrats from the government and eminent persons of society.
Here I am with hope, shining bright and green. Just a touch of your heart, I can dare to dream. Just a touch of your heart.